Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a 2005 Ford Escape radio. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then remove the dash trim carefully with a trim tool to expose mounting screws. Use a 7mm socket to remove bolts and a Phillips to detach the radio bracket. Pull the radio forward gently, unplug antenna and wiring harnesses, and label connectors for easy reinstallation. Begin by removing trim pieces around the radio using a plastic trim tool and steady pressure to avoid damage. Work from the lower edge and pry outward to release the snap clips evenly, moving around the bezel. Set each clip and screw into a labeled container so you can reassemble quickly. Take photos as you go to track clip locations and wiring positions for a smooth reinstall later. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long DIY projects and won't spill while you're under the dash, making it perfect for garages or roadside work. Check the video description for the product link and other deals, grab yours if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Once trim is removed, use a 7mm socket to remove mounting bolts and slide the radio forward slowly. Reach behind the unit to locate the antenna cable and wiring harnesses, pressing release tabs to unplug them safely. If connectors are stiff, wiggle gently to avoid breaking tabs and label each harness. Inspect the cavity for debris or loose insulation before reinstalling or replacing the radio for a clean fit and solid connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.